Hello again and welcome back to Scott and Wanda's World. Everyone's back with a beer. It's a snack review today. And these, I think they've been out for a little while actually, but Wanda was, she's having like popcorn. So why she kicked on about me picking these up, God only knows. But yeah, it's from the proper popcorn range. And it's KFC, sounds awful to be fair, KFC Popcorn Chicken Popcorn. It sounds awful. Not a massive fan of pop. I like sweet popcorn. Not a real fan of the salty popcorn, etc., etc., etc. I might have to get my glasses to read any of this because it's all black on red. So 2 seconds, I'll grab my glasses. Right, so yeah, I think it was about £1.50 for the bag, £1, something like that. So obviously proper KFC branding. Really quite like it. Obviously, it's got the Colonel and his little stick figure body. And it says on the back, proper small word, big ambition. See if it's got anything. Popcorn chicken popcorn PCP. It's our take on the KFC classic. Chickeny, herby. This one hits the spot. It's a car, isn't it, Herbie? Hits the spot, and cluck me, it's vegan. Natural flavourings, sprinkled on fibre-rich butterfly corn. Yeah, KFC, proper and KFC, so it shows you it's a proper thing. I have no idea what I'm actually expecting from this, to be honest. Of course, that was horrible. It smells like farts. Popcorn in the bag. It doesn't smell good, but it doesn't smell very appetising, I'm going to be honest. Bits of popcorn. Oh well. There goes nothing, I suppose. That's one of the worst things I've ever eaten in my life. I thought I was going to be sick. It tastes like sick. Nah, I can't eat that. So sorry. That's fucking horrible. I can't eat them. See if Wanda won't try because she doesn't like popcorn. If you've tried this popcorn chicken popcorn, I mean, what they're thinking, Christ only knows. Stick in a bag, dreadful, absolutely dreadful. Thumbs down. If you've tried it, let me know. Easily one of the most horrible, disgusting things I've ever eaten. It's going in the bin. If you've tried them, let us know in the comments box. That's not for me at all. No video, get a thumbs up. You don't get a thumbs down. There's a subscribe button somewhere. Me honestly too.